Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about Salesforce's Agentforce SDK that will help us interact with agents using your Python code. Basically, you can create and manage agents, you can run different LLM module templates, you can connect with your MCP server for HTTP-based integrations, and so much more with this SDK. You also have comprehensive documentation and examples to get this started. And apart from that, you can also build your own custom templates, your Apex classes that are currently existing, and connect them with the agents. So let's see how we can get this thing doing. So here I have some examples, an example folder in which I have some notebooks. There is basically one notebook that I'm using as well. This is a Jupyter notebook. You can go ahead and download it and make some changes and start using this notebooks, for which you'll be needing Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Labs, or Salesforce credentials and Salesforce credentials. So I'm here. So currently, if you see here, we have like two agents that are already in my developer edition account, and we'll today be creating new agents using the Python SDK. So I have imported the create example agents notebook in my Google Colab. This is a cloud version. If you're not using the VS Code or any other local version, you can go ahead and create your Google Colab account for free, and you can execute your Python commands here. So I have already imported my notebook from the GitHub account that you have seen earlier, and I also have my Salesforce username and password that I've stored in the vault. You can also have them stored here. Okay. Apart from this, I have also imported few files that I'll be needing for my execution from the folder, but that's not needed at all. And you can also use this example for your execution. So in order to get started, we'll first install the Agentforce SDK. Okay, let's go ahead and run the command, and it is installing all the necessary modules for us to get started with Agentforce, and it's done. Once it is done, we'll set up our credentials for Agentforce. Basically, we'll connect, we'll download all the modules, we'll import all the modules that are required, and we'll also connect with a Salesforce account, Salesforce Developer Edition, for which I'm passing my Salesforce username and password. So let's go ahead and connect with a Salesforce account, which has Agentforce enabled in it. Basically, I'm using a developer edition account here. Once this is done, there are several methods to create an agent from. Firstly, you can create an agent from a JSON file. So I have already provided the JSON path for the file. You can create an agent from directory structure, or you can create the agent programmatically. So let's go ahead and create the agent programmatically. I'll run this command, and it is executing. It's creating a topic for me. It's creating an agent within the topic, and further ahead it will go and deploy the agent configuration. So let's keep an eye on the logs and see what happens. Okay, it's taking some time. It's doing a couple of checks, and yes, the agent has been created successfully. So let's go back to our Salesforce account and refresh our Agentforce tab to see if it has created a new agent. So yes, a programmatic agent has been created for us. Basically, that's the name of the agent that we have configured, your programmatic agent, that helps us with the order management. So similarly, you can go ahead, you can create other stuff, like you can create an agent programmatically, export it to directory structure. If there are some content present on your Google Drive, you can get them in your Google Colab account and connect as well. And further ahead, you can go ahead and create an action that will use your Apex class. So if you have an Apex class or a custom Apex class, you can create an action with your agent from that as well. So it's basically, this was a simple example of how you can use Python SDK. You can go ahead into your agent SDK and learn more about different examples that will help you get started with Agentforce.